dragging her inside the basement while holding her hair. Swan was screaming in pain. She was wiggling in his grip to escape, but it was of no use. Jungkook took her inside the basement and threw her on the floor. She groaned when she landed on the floor. She looked at him, who was glaring at her, and that's when he said, "So high of you to think that I will let you escape that easily." Jungkook went towards her and pulled her hand while making her stand up. He again dragged her towards the wall and started tying her hands with chains. Van looked at him shocked. "What are you doing? Please stop." But Jungkook didn't say anything and tied her up. He tied her hands on top of her head and caged her legs on the ground. He stopped and looked at her, who was already shaking in fear. "Jungkook, now you see another face of me. You will stay here until I come back with another torture for you. No food, no water in this darkness. That's where you and your family belongs." Saying that, he turned around to leave as it was midnight. "One, no, no, don't leave me here, please. Stop. Someone open these chains." But he left the basement and closed the door. There was no light inside and it was creepy. We're out. We could only hear her breath. Sweat started covering her forehead. Her whole body was paining because what Jungkook did with her, and now she was inside, tied up. "Wine, help me. Take me out of here. What have I done to you? Someone get me out of here." At last, getting no response, she started crying in herself. Her question was that what had she done to him? She didn't knew that he was torturing her only because she was the part of Alex's life. She was her stepsister who he didn't care about. But Jungkook was still unsure about this fact that Vine didn't had any good relationship with her stepfamily. Taking his big steps coming inside the living room, he was angrily marching towards his room, ignoring all his friends sitting inside the living area, and that's when he heard one of them and stopped when putting his eyes in anger. Jungkook, where is mine? Jungkook, where she should be. Basement. Jin's eyes widened and he again said, "Jungkook, think wisely. Look, she don't have." Before he could finish, others stood up from the couch. When he saw Jungkook, went towards Jin and pulled his collar and said in his deep voice, "Jungkook, my sister also didn't had anything to do with all this, but still she is in the hospital." "Jin, calm down, Jungkook. Alex is the one responsible for all this and his father, but why and she?" "Jungkook, every single person of their family is responsible. I said it before and I'm saying it again. This is all about an eye for an eye. If you guys can't help me in taking revenge, then back off. I don't need you all." Jungkook jerked Jin away and went inside his room. "Jimin, you should stop poking in his matter, bro. He is a hungry lion." "Jin, we all know that Vine is not at fault, but still you guys are not stopping him. Why?" "Die because we don't want to die. Simple." Jin looked at other in hope, but Sugar, look, Jin, we still don't know completely that Vine is at fault or not. Maybe she was involved in this. Hope, I don't think because she was not even here. She was in Italy. Jin, and what if she is not at fault? Then how you will justify Jungkook's action? They all became silent because deep down they all knew that Jin was right. June, we know Jin, but right now, no one can stop Jungkook. They all looked at each other, but they didn't had any courage to stop him, and in their silence, the damage was getting done to Vine. Time skipped at morning. It was past 6 hours and Wang was tied up inside the basement. Jungkook was inside his room, lying on the bed. Whole night he didn't sleep. He was just only looking at the ceiling. He was grieving the worst which had done to his sister, but he didn't know what he was doing with Wang. He stood up from the bed and wore his shirt and decided to go inside the basement. But before that, his phone rang and it was a call from the hospital. Jungkook, yes. Hospital. Sir, your sister's condition is getting critical. Please come fast. Without cutting the call, he dashed out of the room towards hospital, forgetting about Mahan. It was so hot inside the basement. Her whole body was wet with her sweat. Her eyes were half closed and half open. The darkness wasn't helping either. It was past 7 hours, but she was still standing like that. Her body was becoming numb. She was struggling a lot with the pain which she was having physically and mentally. Holding the hand of his sister, he was sitting on the chair beside the bed. Jungkook, why aren't you taking care of yourself, Nina? Please let them do their work. It's better for you. Nina, the thing which happened to me is breaking me apart, Jungkook. All that horrible incidents is haunting me day and night. I don't want to live like that. Jungkook plastered a kiss at the back of her hand. He closed his eyes because he can't see his sister crying like that. Jungkook, nothing will happen, trust me. I won't leave them. Who did this to you? Everyone saw how Nina started breathing heavily. She was panicking a lot. Her eyes were getting closed slowly. Jungkook tapped on her cheeks, but she wasn't responding. Everyone became alert. Jungkook, hey, Lina, open your eyes. Look at me. Doctor came inside and checked her, and after a few minutes, they told Jungkook that she fainted because of the stress and tension which she is taking non-stop. Doc, we are giving her the injections of stress relief, but still, this all seems like it's not working. She don't let us treat her. She always say, I want time. She is unable to forget what had happened to her, but still we are trying our best. Jungkook nodded slowly, looking at the unconscious state of his sister, her dry tears on her cheeks, those strips and machines, everything was making him lose his mind, but deep down he was fuming in anger to get revenge. Jin put his hand on his shoulder, and Jungkook turned towards him and said in his husky voice, Still you want me to stop here? Jin, no, Jungkook, I want you to take revenge from them, but I am just saying that why and she, Jungkook, she will be the one getting from my hand. I will get my hands on Alex from his sister, which is in my control now. Jen signed because he knew once again was getting woke up inside him, and now he will go to wine, and that's what happened. Jungkook took a last glance at Nina and then shouted outside the hospital towards his house. Jen helplessly followed him, but he was praying inside for wine, and Jungkook was gritting his teeth because he wanted to pull the soul out of her body today. And on the other hand, wine was still inside, feeling all vulnerable. Inside the basement, Van was whispering in her soft, fainted voice for water, but no one was there. Her whole body was drenched with sweat because of the hot temperature, and now she was struggling for water. Her eyes were getting heavy, and her mind was spinning just like that she fainted. Her body got low a little bit, but still she was tied up with in standing beneath position. Poor her didn't know what was coming towards her. After 15 minutes, the door got open with a loud thud, and there he came inside. Jen saw him going inside towards, but he didn't have courage, so he went away, and Junko closed the door of the basement and opened the light. He saw her eyes were closed. He went close to her and called her, but she didn't respond. So he picked up the glass and threw water on her face, making her wiggle. Van looked at him with her blurred eyes, but soon her vision got corrected. Jungkook, looks like this isn't enough for you, or should I say this isn't enough to please me because I want you to feel more pain and damage badly. Vine didn't said anything, she only looked at him who was moving back and forth. She saw him removing his jacket and throwing it on the side table. Jungkook then came close to Vine, making her alert. He stood in front of her and looked at her who was looking down, but then he held her jaw harshly. Jungkook, eyes on me, what I talked. When I worked up my anger was calm a bit, but because I remembered how destroyed you yesterday. But then when I got a call and I looked at my sister's condition, I felt like it was not enough for me. And gulped, sensing what he was saying. Jungkook, but you know what I thought on my way that your brother destroyed my sister that much that she ended up in the hospital. He threw her in the forest. So what should I do with you that you also end up in hospital? Van shook her head harshly and tried to say something, but words were not coming out of her mouth. She saw Jungkook taking out something from his pocket, making her shocked. He backed away and looked in her eyes, where the tears were coming down. She was still hanging like that and was coming out. He gulped when he looked at her condition, which was done by him. He saw how her eyes were shedding tears and she was crying of pain. He took a step back and left from there hurriedly, but Vine stopped him when she said in her teary voice, Vine, why are you going like this hurriedly? Because you are unable to see my condition. At least tell me what I is my fault. Jungkook turned around slowly when he didn't hurt her and saw that her eyes were closed. She fainted like that. Jungkook took a step close to her and looked at her. His mind was becoming numb on what he did to her, but still he said, your faith is the one at fault. You were born in their family was your fault, and I won't leave any single person and their destruction begin with you, One. Saying that, he went out of there, and soon two female guards came inside who were sent by Jungkook himself. They came and covered their mouth, being shocked on Vine's condition. They looked at each other, shocked, and then ran towards Vine and opened her chain. And soon that unconscious Vine was about to hit the ground, but that female guard pulled her. They gulped, seeing the marks on her body, and hurriedly took her inside the room. Inside the room, he picked up the lamp and threw it on the wall, and then he picked up the glass and threw it on the floor. He punched on the wall multiple times until his hand started bleeding. He slowly stopped her and put his head on the wall and started taking deep breaths. He calmed himself, but then his attention went on his hand, which started trembling. He looked at his hand, which was now shaking, and it was just because of what he did to Wine few minutes ago. He went and sat on the bed while still looking at his hand. Jungkook, why? Why her eyes were showing that she was innocent and she didn't have to do anything with that. I have many people, then why I was unable to see her in that state? He put his hand on his face. Jungkook, no Jungkook, you did right. They did this to your sister and you are taking your revenge. He tried to tell himself that he did right, but deep down he couldn't change the fact that he started feeling guilt. His attention went on his hand, which was he stood up to go washroom to wash it off, but then the door got open and Jin and Sugar came inside only to see the whole room destroyed. But then Jin shouted, what you did to her, Jungkook, Jungkook, what she deserves. He said coldly and Jin shouted again. Jen, did you lost your sense or what, Jungkook? Have you seen her condition, her whole body? You think you are doing it right, but no, you are wrong, Jungkook. Alex and his father should pay the price, but you are taking out your anger on that innocent girl. Open your eyes before you do something else. Jen went from there, and Sugar came inside slowly. Jungkook, did you inform Alex that we have a sister? Sugar, we informed them yesterday, and that's why I'm here because they didn't did anything for Van. Why? Jungkook frowned, having this question in his mind that why Alex and his father didn't react it back. Neither they talked to them nor they did any attack to save Vine and threat Jungkook. He was confused, but the answer was with Vine, who was in bad state because of Jungkook. And the answer was that they don't even care about Vine. Jungkook was having so much in his mind. He was thinking to get to Alex by Vine, but here Alex wasn't even not even responding. What else will Jungkook do to get his revenge?